Hangar home porch with a Schweiss hydraulic door. Imagine a house with a hidden garage. Pause the video and guess where it might be. This 45-foot wide, 15-foot high hidden garage was crafted by Daniel Shaw, a 62-year-old plumber, with the help of Schweiss Doors. It's not just a garage. It includes rooms like a bedroom, walk-in closet, and 3 bathrooms. Comfortable and stylish, it cost around $225,000. Schweiss Hidden Hydraulic Door. Schweiss Doors strikes again, this time with a project for a small lake house. Originally designed to store an ATV, it evolved into a portal to a rec room. The 4.6 feet by 6.7 feet hydraulic door, with a hidden pump in the attic, preserves the original stone exterior and wood interior. Remote controlled, it adds a touch of innovation to any space. Concrete door. For a Hollywood movie set feel, consider an option from an American company. A Hollywood producer even implemented this door under the stairs, leading to a secret room. With impressive thickness and a design that's hard to detect, it's a fantastic disguise. The company boasts of unconventional projects, including a revolving fireplace and a bookcase door. Rising pool table. This is not just a pool table. It's an industrial electro-hydraulic scissor lift holding up to 2,200 pounds. Costing about $25,000, it's a creative and elegant solution to storing a pool table. Some companies even offer a turnkey version, handling everything from design to assembly. Rampa Automatica. Ramps that maximize space and hide garages in commercial and private parking lots or luxury homes. These ramps, used by Kay and Burton in Australia, consider even the smallest details, such as disguising the driveway. Garages in this case look more like museums than storage spaces. Cancello A Muro. A minimalist gate that not only looks sleek but also functions effectively. With no locks or code systems, it confuses intruders and seamlessly blends into the overall site design. Hidden basement door. A homemade device with a secret door in the floor, operated by a Harbor Freight winch with a remote control. Though there's room for improvement, the author deserves points for creativity, and the sound effects add a nice touch. Dynamic garage door. Dynamic Garage Door in California offers a solution for hiding garage doors. Made of 5 sections, the door matches the house's design, including options for vintage wooden doors. Murphy Door, hidden playroom. A U.S. company offers a hidden door disguised as a bookcase. For $1,000, you can own a secret door leading to a playroom, capable of holding up to 300 pounds. Shelves are adjustable, and the door comes fully assembled. DUKIN Hideout. A sealed underground cabinet from Germany designed to store trash cans, but versatile enough for other uses. It can hold up to 440 pounds, with remote and manual controls, and fully assembled for easy installation. Bookcase Door with hidden lift. A British company's project to hide an elevator system behind a bookcase. Versatile for hiding valuables, entertaining guests, and quickly tidying up the house. Automatic rising gate. A British company, EDS, offers an unusual gate, especially convenient for narrow or tightly parked streets. Individual design, various materials, logos, and color options are available, with the potential challenge of speed. Hidden safe room. A mini bunker behind sliding panels, complete with a door with a code lock, lighting, an emergency kit, a safe, and even some weapons. It's not so secret anymore, with almost 90,000 views on the video. Hidden garage gates. Sylvan Company's versatile systems, suitable for securing large areas or providing window protection and space partitioning. Patented and certified design with programmable actuators and an anti-brake system for enhanced security. Door system perfect for perfectionists. These panels effectively conceal garage entrances without compromising aesthetics. These high-quality constructions withstand up to 1,323 pounds of various finishes, allowing for wood, glass, and aluminum decorations without functional compromise.